question number 68 to question number 70. Now these three questions ask us to find out whether an argument is strong or weak. Now in a question we are given a question statement followed by two arguments. Now the first principle of these kind of questions is not to compare the two arguments with each other. We have to take each argument individually and find out whether it's individually strong or weak. Now look at question number 68. Should governments agree to the terms and conditions of terrorists in case of a hostage situation? Now, what kind of a situation is it? When we talk about hostage, human life is at stake. There must be people who have been taken hostage. So when it comes to the government or government stand in dealing or tackling such situations, the government has to be extra careful. Now argument 1 here says that yes, agreeing to their demands is a safe way to make peace with the terrorists. This one is a weak argument because of the word safe. Now, what do you mean by safe? If we agree, or if the government agrees to the demands of the terrorists, then in future they can take advantage of the situation again. Won't it create a bad precedent? Won't they be able to manipulate the government by giving examples or reminding them of how they had negotiated with the terrorists in the past? Now the word safe is a relative term, and in these kind of questions we have to be especially wary of adjectives or adverbs which may have more than one interpretations depending upon the way the reader looks at the passage. So statement 1 can be called a weak argument. Reason is this one doesn't give us enough facts to consider how demanding or agreeing to the demands of the terrorists is a safe way, and how it will encourage peace with the terrorists. It might be a temporary arrangement. In future it might do more harm than it does any good. Now statement 2 or argument 2 says no, it encourages the terrorists to continue with such activities. Now this one is a definite possibility. Because of this, only argument 2 is strong and our answer will be B.